Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to fireproof sites on Duckduckgo browser. How to fireproof sites on Duckduckgo browser. Now before we do this, it's very easy and quick to do. But before we do that, I want to explain what fireproof actually is. What does it mean to actually fireproof site? Now, in the context of the Duckduckgo browser, fireproofing a site essentially means excluding it from the browser's automatic data clearing feature, which Duckduckgo actually has. Now, the fire button Duckduckgo has a distinct fire button that, with a single tap, clears all your browsing data, that is cookies, history, everything. And it's a crucial privacy feature. So when you fireproof, you are telling Duckduckgo to not clear that particular site's cookies and data when you use the fire button. This is useful for websites you frequently use and want to stay logged into, such as your email, banking, or social media accounts. In simpler terms, imagine a forest fire, which is why we call it fire button. So everything in the forest, which is your browsing data, gets burnt up when you hit the fire button. But when you fireproof the site, it is like fireproofing a building within the forest. It remains untouched when the rest of the forest is cleared. Now, what are the benefits of fireproofing? No need to consistently relog into fireproof sites after clearing your browsing data, so it's convenient. It gives you improved user experience. It streamlines your browsing experience by remembering your login information for essential website. It also gives you enhanced privacy. While it may seem counterintuitive, fireproofing can enhance privacy by preventing accidental data leakage when you clear your browsing history. So, by strategically fireproofing specific websites, you can enjoy the privacy benefits of Duckduckgo while still maintaining seamless access to the sites you use most often. So now I'm going to show you how to fireproof the site. Let's say I want to fireproof my Gmail, for example. So, or a Gmail site, let's say www.gmail.com. Let's say I use it often and I want to fireproof it. So first of all, you type in the name of the site on the browser. So let's do this. Click on it, the one you want to fireproof, the main one. Now we're here. The next thing I'm going to do is these three dots at the top right corner here of the browser. You click on it, and then you can see the option in the drop down menu of fireproof this site. Click on it, and that's it. It has now been fireproof. To show you a shield next to the address, and you see it, this is a shield. So which means that this site, even when I press this, click this button, which is the fireproof button, to leave no trace, everything will be cleared up. If I click on it, got it. So clear everything. Can you see it has been fired? That has fired everything. But if I go back to Gmail, it didn't work, did it? Where's my Gmail? It seems it did not work. Maybe did I make a mistake? Okay, it worked. Which means that if I log into the Gmail again, it works differently than I thought. I still have to log in again. I was hoping that it would actually not clear it from here, but it seems when I fireproof it, okay, it didn't. This is it over here. Okay, is this it? No. It said it is fireproofed here, but at the same time, let's try something. Let me open on the site. Open on the site. I won't fireproof this one. Let's see what happens. Let's not fireproof this one. So we have both of them up here. So we have the first one. Let's make sure it is fireproofed. This is to remove the fireproof. It is fireproofed. Let's look at YouTube. Let's see if this is fireproof. It's not yet. It's okay. So we have the two together. Now let's click on close tabs and clear data. So it is showing us that the site that will not be cleared is the Gmail, but the other two will be cleared. Okay, let's see. It's done, but I'm not. Well, I guess it won't leave it up there, but at the same time, it keeps the information. I guess it's quite different from what I thought, but okay. So let's go to history. Nothing, I cannot. So I still have to log in. I guess I still have to log in. Or is it because I didn't set it as my default browser? Well, let me know in the comment section when you tried it. Let's see what happened. Well, it seems you can fireproof it, but to still be cleared from here. It will be cleared from the tabs, just it won't be deleted. The information you put in it will not be deleted, but everything will be deleted. Okay, I guess that's what it does. Anyway, so that's it for today. Just follow the steps like we did before. You type in the name of the app, of the site you want to fireproof. Type in the name of the site you want to fireproof. In my case, it was www.gmail.com. And then I'll go to the site, the main site. So, and then you click on the three dots at the corner here, and then click on fireproof this site. As you can see, the fireproof is gone. So fireproof the site, and then to show you a shield, which means it has been fireproofed. So you can remove the fireproof this way. That is it, guys. How to fireproof the site on Duckduckgo and how to turn off the fireproof. Just simply do the same thing. Click on these three dots and you'll see remove fireproofing, and you click on remove fireproofing. So that's it. Anyway, see you in the next video. Let me know how it went. Bye for now.